Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today we are making fluffy slime. And let's quickly introduce ourselves. I'm Max, and this is Lorraine over here. And what we're going to be doing, as I said previously, is making fluffy slime. Now, our slime is going to be blue, as you can see by the color here, and really hope you enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the video, and to click that bell notification so you can get all notifications of our videos. Okay, let's get into this. So, Lorraine, what do we need to do?
We'll need some baking soda. We'll need some shaving foam, Elmer's glue, 2 measuring cups. So we have 1 measuring cup that just says 1 cup, but then we have also another one that had cups and millimeters. We got contact solution, food coloring, and teaspoons and tablespoons. So let's get started.
Okay, guys, now that we've finished listing all the ingredients here, we're going to add 1 cup of glue to the bowl here. Or the cup. I think it's the cup actually, guys. Add 1 cup. Whoa, that's a lot of glue. Hey guys, so we just finished putting all the glue in, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add some food coloring and also some baking soda, and then we're going to stir it all together.
It's going to be very blue.
It looks like a face. She's like, oh. Okay, so now we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda into the mixture, and then we're going to start stirring. Now we're going to add some baking soda.
A teaspoon of baking soda. Now
stir well.
Stir, stir well. So mix them together and stir them well, Max. Stir them. Keep going and going and going.
Okay, so now that we've stirred it for a while and it's nice, a light blue color, it's a good mixture, there's no white left in it, we're going to add 1.5 cups of shaving cream. Shaving cream. Okay, let's start adding it. Okay, so 1.5 cups.
Just all the way to the top.
Comment down below, do you think I should wear a shaving cream beard for the rest of the video? As you can see, we put 1.5 cups of shaving cream in, and now the mixture is getting real gooey and stuff. So we're going to keep on mixing until...
It said stir well, so...
What's next in the instructions?
It says here, add 1 tablespoon of contact solution and stir well. The mixture is quite sticky. Add 1 more tablespoon and mix well. The mixture should be fluffy and fun and not sticky. Store in an airtight container or bag.
Okay, when we're about to pour in the contact solution.
And now, mix it. Oh, it's starting to get together now.
Okay, so now it's starting to get sticky.
And if it's,
as you can see, it's starting to stick together now.
And I hope it works.
Okay, we are stirring it. Do we begin to knead it, Lorraine?
Well, is it sticky?
Yes, very sticky. It's a flubber bubber. And remember, guys, you constantly need to stir, mix, and like move your slime around because it's going to be very sticky in the beginning. But you constantly want to keep on like moving it, mashing it back and forth because then it becomes less sticky.
Can I please try?
So keep on trying. If you don't succeed at first, try again. Hey guys, and
Hey guys, today we're gonna make fluffy slime.
No! We're gonna less all the ingredients. Okay, cut that out. Okay, now that we just put in all the food coloring.
Okay, stop!
Child! You know what? Just hold on to that. So we put in a whole bunch of shavering cream. Shavering cream.
Oh! I didn't see you there. So, yeah, those people are crazy. So, if you'd like to see more videos, click here. And if you would like to see other stuff, click here. And please, smash, destroy that subscribe button right there. Bye!